Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in Florida.
Gotta go get to the shack to find everyone. The squad is there. I slept in. My alarm didn't work. The ringer was down, so I didn't hear the alarm. It went off for an hour while I snoozed away. It happens. I made it! What? I didn't think he was going so slow. Oh, dude, this is clean powder.
Thunder! Thunder! Thunder!
Yahoo! Oh, shoot. Dude, that was sick! Dude! Whoa! What is the... What's up, Bubby? Bring your leg. No, that's not gonna work.
Where do you guys want to go? Here, take it off.
Wait, it won't come off.
Take your feet off. Go.
It won't come off. Not a single thing is going right. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Dude, John is sending it. Whoa. Was that the squad? Hey! Oh, shoot. Okay. That was in my eye. We're good.
You wanna play that game? Give him up.
Hey, Riley, I got you.
Oh shoot! It's him from yesterday.
Hey.
No, you gotta get him. You gotta get him good. Oh shoot! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Come on, come on.
Oh yeah. No, they were getting us good. Make sure. Get him! Get him! Get the boys! Get the boys! No, I'm not gonna see it. Yeah! No. Was that it?
Yeah.
Dang, bro. Whoa, 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 whoa. No way. No way. I called it. Wait.
Come here.
Here, you guys can go ahead. Hey guys, don't hold up the line. Oh my gosh. Oh wait. Here's some. Oh yeah.
We're like, he's off shit. He's literally right there and he goes, that's crazy. We're like,
they're saying they're cold.
yeah, you are cold. Look at Ellie. He put Ellie's snow all over Ellie.
Is that snow?
Yes, he dumped it on Ellie.
I think they know which ones throw snowballs and which ones don't. That's why we didn't get hit.
Yeah.
I mean, you did throw a snowball, I'm not gonna lie.
I threw it. No, I threw it.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Whoa! Oh! I don't think he's here.
Oh, he's coming back.
No way.
Oh my God. He's coming.
Go, 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 go. On his lunch break. It's actual war. Get him, get, oh! No way. Well, are you on lunch break? Okay. That's crazy. He came over with food in hand just to get you guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. Ha. All right, we got video. I should probably explain what happened, but I think I'll explain that on the lift. Is it bad?
No, mustache. Wait, let's just go mustache. Mustache.
Yo, mustache is crazy. Oh my gosh. Prepare! Yo! No way. Hey, get that shovel ready. Oh my God. It feels like we're flying away from a war. I gotta explain to the video what happened. All right, so down ball hooter, battery dies. And I think I see you and Gabe are like kind of down, right? I think Gabe like snow dusted you for something. And as I'm coming in to change the battery and assess what happened, I found out why they crashed. The ice is all like really iced over and I crashed too. So now I'm all filthy.
I was going and then I went in front of Bubby and he crashed into me at high
Oh,
speed.
Bubby made you crash.
Yeah, he ran over the back of my skis.
Oh, okay, so you couldn't really move anymore.
Well, I couldn't stop.
Oh.
So I went right off the side. Going muddy now.
Yeah, I think my wrist is good. It felt bad a second ago, but we're good now. Oh, shoot. I left that zipper open. Still got that battery. Let's hope. How many batteries did I bring? Dang, I might have lost one.
You want to try to get that?
Oh, yeah. Where is it?
It's on this next little branch. Not right here, but the one. It's right there. See it?
The red one?
Yeah.
Yo! Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! Wait! Yeah, bro! Woo! We got her! We got her done, baby! Guys! Look! We got treasure! Dude, what a call. You're right, I should have gone for that. Let's go! Dude, I'm wearing this as a good luck charm for the rest of the ski trip. I can't get around my helmet. Yeah! Woo! Hey, Hannah.
You got one.
I got one.
Nice, bro.
It's my good luck charm for the rest of the trip.
We'll give it to Billy over there.
Billy.
As a peacemaking
Is that his name?
present, I don't know.
Okay.
And then we won't have snowballs. We'll hide them. We'll give it to him. We'll be like, no, we're
This
here
is
in peace.
this is the trick.
Yeah, we're here in peace. We don't want to fight anymore. And then we'll take him out and ambush him. Yeah.
We did it! We did it, bro! Dang, Johnny! Oh! Whoa! That's Hannah on Hannah carnage. All right, once traffic clears, I'll go. So then you guys can. Oh shoot! That was insane. Whoa! What in the world are you guys doing? Go, 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 go. Here, Hannah, I'll videotape it. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh. Get him, Hannah, get him. Oh, she's coming in hot. Hey, Gabe! What is Johnny doing? No! This is insane! He's dodging all of them! It's the Matrix! Yeah!
Go, 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 go.
Oh, it's water? Yes! Oh! They were ready for that.
The other guy got it with a puddle of water.
I know, they advanced themselves! Whoa! He opens his front door, he's like, oh, they're back. Yeah! Guys, go, go, go! Let him up!
Oh, no, no, no. All those kids are coming in.
Oh, Bubby, you're in a bad spot.
You gotta be careful.
Dude, Johnny, once you're clear, I'll come down. But like, see? Oh my gosh, she's going backwards. She went so far backwards. I'm a child, hold on. Phew! It's a straight up war out here. Hey, he's got his friend. He's got his friend. Oh, 100%.
I had no idea. Hey! Let's get out of here!
Let's go, 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 go.
Hey, we got this guy over here.
We actually started a war. Oh, yo, there's a war going on down here. Yo, yo. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Dude, no. I think we've actually started a war. There were random people getting in on that. Do you see the guy in green?
Yeah.
And then there were like 2 people behind him and just started throwing snowballs.
I know.
He's like, yeah, I won. And we're like, no. We obviously won that war.
It's all over my phone. What is wrong with you guys?
I just love my.
Hannah, let me up there. Let me help him. Bro, give me some real estate here. Jeez. That is 100% away to the roof.
Do you want me to press the lamp over there?
Yeah, there's a switch.
Yeah, do the lamp.
Where?
There's a switch right next to you.
Don't step on that.
Yes.
Does it say fire alarm or something?
I don't know. It's like red, like this.
Oh, this one.
But what is this, dude?
I think
trying to figure it
that's
out.
how you keep it out. That's just the thing that holds it open. It holds it open.
Yeah, come on, guys.
Oh wait, this is sick. Wait, what if it doesn't show? Oh, we got it open. No freaking way.
Go take a look. Oh my gosh, it's actually the roof. There's lights everywhere. Go take a look. Dude, this is insane. We're at the roof of Snowshoe.
Bryce, there's a hallway.
There's mini donuts over here.
There's donuts. We found donuts and we walked down the hallway. Bryce, should we walk all the way through that?
6, 7. Johnny, this is insane. Order up. Dude, no. I don't like that. I don't like that.
Bryce, that's creepy.
Oh, shoot. Oh my, what is that?
Just go down slowly.
What is this? This is insane.
Don't fall. Go down slowly.
What the heck?
We're gonna get some complaints from like footsteps on the roof.
And be quiet.
Yeah, dude. Wait, I could low-key sleep up here. I don't even have to pay.
We gotta find it.
Mine too.
Guys, okay, chill with the footsteps. They will hear us. Tippy toes right now. It's Sprite.
Wait, what's the
That's a
temperature?
thermostat.
What's the thermostat?
Oh no, it's found a thermostat.
Would we get kicked out if we got caught?
Yes.
Are you serious?
That's the electricity. If we pull that, it's off.
Yeah, we're not pulling that. Oh my, no.
Oh my god, wait, right.
Go. Tippy toe run. You guys are really bad at that for some reason.
I'm good at it.
Okay, thank you for noticing. I need out of here right now before I get arrested.
No.
No, you go
You're
down.
in the back of the bus.
No, you go down right now. Go! I could get arrested.
We don't want to be falling.
No, you can if you're under 18, so just say you're 17.
Yeah, just say you're 17.
Do I look 17?
Yes.
Wow.
Well, don't say
You look like a big 17-year-old.
Can you take this one? Yeah, can you touch my shirt?
I'm so mad that that's gonna make the cut too. I'm no. You're going first. Ladies first. Voila.
Then you should go first.
That was so funny. I never heard that one. I don't like being in here.
Turn around.
Dude, Johnny, what the heck happened to you? You got cursed by the moose man.
Did you see me turn off the lights?
Yes, I hated it.